It begins not with a whisper, but with a rush. The rhythm of our lives, traffic, lights, the heartbeat of the city accelerates into a blur. We built our monuments in steel and glass, thinking they would last forever. But time is a ruthless architect. Watch as the iron rusts and the paint peels, shedding its skin like a dying organism. The jungle returns, reclaiming the canyons of concrete, only to be silenced by the ice. The seasons flash by in milliseconds, grinding the mountains down to dust. The world spins faster, and we are just passengers. We tried to evolve. We looked inward, perfecting the biology, smoothing out the flaws until we were all reflections of the same design, a perfect, silent hive. But perfection is stagnant. Deep in the dark, the machines we trusted began to falter. The servers that held our history, the red lights blink, and then they die. The data rots. Our memories, the binary code of our existence, turn to gray dust and drift off the screen. Even the stone engravings of our dates are scrubbed smooth by the rain. We are being erased. The planet begins to convulse. The great waterfalls run dry, leaving only ghostly cliffs and mist. From the depths, the fire awakes. New land explodes from the ocean floor, born in violence and steam. Above us, the cosmos turns hostile. A new star ignites, a red giant rivaling the moon, casting a bruised purple light over the land. The sky tears open. The impact is not a question of if, but when. And when it comes, the silence is shattered by the thunder of the end. The surface is wiped clean. Ash falls like snow, covering the ruins of a world we no longer recognize. Rivers of heavy, molten rock pour over the scars of the earth. Look to the sky. Even Mars is breaking, its moons shattered into a glittering ring of debris. Down here, the map is being redrawn. Continents crash together with the groan of deep tectonic grinding. The seas vanish. The mountains rise. The circle is complete. Pangea returns. One land, one ocean, alone. But the Earth cannot rest. The sun, our oldest friend, turns into a tyrant. It swells, blinding and white, stripping the moisture from the air. The forests that once breathed for us turn to petrified gray skeletons. The oceans do not just retreat, they boil. The seabed cracks into geometric shapes, thirsty and dead. A yellow haze chokes the atmosphere. The heat is so intense that the skeletons of our machines warp and melt into the sand. The world is cooking. And now, the silence. The salt flats stretch out forever, sparkling under a harsh, unfiltered night. We are a twin to Mars now, a red, dusty, barren rock floating in the vacuum, a place where nothing grows. But look closer. The story did not end in the dust. We saw the end coming. We did not choose extinction. We chose the stars. The engines ignite, a blue hope against the brown decay. As the dead Earth fades into a small beige marble behind us, we drift into the void. The planet has finished its journey. Ours has just begun.